Commenters sometimes ask me what I do with the wood that I cut, so here's a short video showing one of my projects. I then used a chainsaw to make the boards. I started with a pine log that was 3 foot long and a 13-inch diameter. You can see the wood has some rough spots, so I used a 40 grit orbital sander to smooth those out. You can watch one of my freehand chainsaw milling videos for detailed instructions. In this clip, I'm removing material so the boards can fit into these side pieces. I probably could have used a chainsaw for this step, but I wanted to try a hand chisel and hammer. The top of the seat is 18 inches off the ground, and you can see I have an angle for the backboard. Once assembled, the bench was pretty sturdy. I may not have needed to, but I did add screws afterward.